guys, I'm showing you this Anpabo electric wiggle car with pedal. This is a Anpabo 2-in-1 wiggle car ride on toy with a do it yourself stickers. Battery powered light up PU wheels with a music player, anti-rollover structure with a swing car for kids. So this is in a blue color, and let me just show you the whole unboxing first. So as I said, this is a 2-in-1. Like it can go on the electric as well as it can go on a wiggle thing. Like you can do just the wiggle and the car will work. So this is the manual that shows like how to assemble this product and all the details. So these are all the parts that I'm showing you here. And now I will assemble this car so that it will, or the cycle, so that it will be helpful for you. So this is the charger that comes with it. So you need to charge the cycle before using it. So first of all, you need to connect this battery with the connector so that you can use this. So here this is the battery connector. Once you connect this switch, put this screw back. This screwdriver also provided with this box, so everything is provided. The other thing is that the screws for these wheels are provided inside this socket as well. So you have to take out the screw and then put it in this set. So this is the handle thing that you need to put in the screw and just tighten up in this side. So the assembly is pretty straightforward, but you have to be a little bit patient to see the holes and put in the screws. The handle goes on the top and the same thing from the other side. The screw, the thing is there. So I'm charging this car, so I'm showing you the charger thing. So when this need to charge, it's red. When it's fully charged, it's green. So now the car is fully charged, assembled, this ride on toy, and you can see it's really nice, beautiful, good looking, with the handle for a 3+ year-old kid. This is the music button here. The seat is also the white seat. It can hold up to the 150-pound weight. So even a big kid can sit on it. And this the power or the speed button that I showed. So from the side also looks nice. The tires are the light up tires, so the light will go up. And then this also has the music button on the near to the handle side, so you can play out different music. So now my kid is playing with it and he is very excited to play with this. So I think we need to just put it outside. So this is on the driveway so that they can play like properly. So he is enjoying like the four. So the seat is really nice, the wide one, comfortable, and he's pretty easy to do the handles and everything. So I think this is a good for a little elder kid as well, but for the smaller kids it's really fun. Speed wise is nice, and then rotation and everything is good. So it's pretty nice ride on toy for the kids and the fun thing to play with. My elder one also want to try, and it's fun for him.